Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Car Collective. Today we're diving into an exciting reveal, the 2025 Toyota RAV4. Toyota has been a powerhouse in the SUV market, and the RAV4 continues to evolve, bringing fresh features and a modern design. So let's explore what makes the 2025 RAV4 a standout choice for drivers looking for style, functionality, and reliability. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 RAV4 sports a bold and aggressive look that sets it apart from its competitors. The front fascia has been refreshed with a striking grille and sleek, LED headlights that give it a more contemporary feel. The body lines are sharper, enhancing the overall aerodynamics and giving the RAV4 a more athletic stance. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the trails, this UV looks ready for action. Moving inside, the RAV4 doesn't disappoint. The cabin is spacious and well-designed, featuring high-quality materials and an intuitive layout. The seats are comfortable, making long drives a breeze. Toyota has equipped the 2025 RAV4 with a larger infotainment touchscreen that now integrates seamlessly with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to stay connected on the go. One of the standout tech features is the new Toyota Safety Sense package. This includes advanced safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and pedestrian detection, ensuring that you and your passengers feel secure no matter where the road takes you. Plus, with available features like a panoramic sunroof and premium audio systems, you can tailor your driving experience to fit your lifestyle. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 RAV4 offers a range of powertrains to cater to different driving preferences. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers a healthy balance of power and efficiency, making it perfect for daily commutes or weekend getaways. But for those who crave something a bit more exciting, Toyota has introduced a hybrid variant that enhances fuel economy without sacrificing performance. The all-wheel drive option is also worth mentioning. It provides added traction and confidence in various weather conditions, whether you're navigating slick roads or venturing off the beaten path. The RAV4's dynamic torque vectoring system ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience, making it a versatile choice for any driver. Let's not forget about space and practicality. The RAV4 boasts generous cargo capacity, easily accommodating your gear for family trips or outdoor adventures. The rear seats fold down flat, allowing for even more versatility. And with convenient features like a power liftgate and multiple USB charging ports throughout the cabin, the 2025 RAV4 is designed with your lifestyle in mind. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 represents a perfect blend of style, technology, and practicality. Whether you're seeking a reliable family vehicle, an efficient commuter, or an adventurous UV, the RAV4 has something for everyone. Its combination of modern design, advanced safety features, and impressive performance makes it a strong contender in the crowded UV market. Thanks for joining us today on The Car Collective. If you enjoyed this overview of the 2025 RAV4, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car reviews and automotive news. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you excited about the new RAV4? Let us know in the comments below. Safe driving, and we'll see you next time.